Everybody, you know, it's KG Vibe in the building. Please hit that subscription button, like, share, and comment. I think the lighting is very poor here. But anyway, at night, and me not too long come out from a birthday outing. 2 days ago it was my birthday, but because it was work, I didn't get the chance to go anywhere. So this Sunday I decided to go out with some friends, and we went to an amusement park. I will show you some videos of I'll show you a video of the day, just some parts of the day, because I didn't do a vlog. But anyway, this video is showing you how I unbox the gifts that my friends gave me. So my friends gave me some gifts, and they are convinced that I'm going to like it, which me like already, because at the end of the day, ain't nobody obligated, nobody had to give me anything, so I'm grateful for it. And it really means a lot, because I don't usually get any gift for my birthday. It's just something I usually buy a gift for myself, but you know, people giving me gifts. So I have boxes of gifts today that I want to unbox and show you what's in it. I don't know what's in them, so I have this one, and I have this one, and this is the last one that I have. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to pull the smaller box first to see what's in it. I get very anxious when I'm pulling boxes, because I'm so curious as to what's in them. Like, I was gonna leave this till tomorrow, but I cannot do it, because I just have to find out what's in it. And I don't want it to be a case where I don't ever get to see it, what's inside it, if anything should pop up. See, I get so anxious that I start tearing the box. Damn, it's taking a while, you know. Ooh. Let's see what's in it. What does it say? Damn! Oh my gosh! The flip! Shit! The flip! Ah! What does this say? Oh my freaking gosh! Damn! It says, oh my gosh! This says Canon. You know what this means? It means, oh my gosh! Ew! Shit, me can't even pull the box. I'm excited, yo! I can't believe this, bruh! Damn! Mama! Shit! Oh my fucking gosh! Maybe I should have saved this for last, yo! Damn! Do you see this? I'm so excited! Bruh! So I'm using my phone recording, you know? I'm so emotional because I use my phone to record videos, and sometimes doing YouTube videos, that's another story. Sometimes I give up, I can't bother, my phone space full up. But now I'm looking here and I am seeing a flipping Canon camera. Damn, thank you so much. This means a lot to me, yo. And I have a battery charger. Bruh. I can't wait for go fast with this right now. But as you know, we are opening up box, so alright. I'm gonna go with this one. Because this one kinda feel heavy. I feel excited, yo. How do I do this? Oh, it opens. It's just wrapped. If you know me, wow. If you know me, you know I love clothes. And I got these beautiful shoes. Bam. I'm so freaking excited, yo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So I'm gonna wear this on my next outing. Me have to wear the shoes. Yeah. Damn, a Canon camera and a pair of shoes. That's a lot, yo. Bruh. Right. So that's it for the first 2 boxes. I only got 3 boxes. I'm very grateful, me tell you. I have 64 gig memory card. Y'all know me, you know that I love gadgets. Alright, I'ma look. Damn! Shoot! What is this, yo? I can't even me have to think. Damn! I got a camera and I got a tripod. This is to support my YouTube dream, yo. This is to support my YouTube dream. I actually have a tripod. Let me show you. So this is my tripod. Hold on a bit. Don't mind my shots. So I have this tripod, but something was wrong with it, you know. I don't know what's wrong with it. So now we get one second tripod. Wow, bruh. I'ma cock up my foot. I can't have a pulley box, yo. I'm nervous. Video camera. Whoa. I can't pulley box, yo. Whoa. This is professional. This is my professional, bruh, you know, my friend came into a camera store and we were looking at certain camera. And me never think so them would have ever think for buying a camera, yo. Bruh. I feel so grateful, yo. So these are my gifts, yo. Stay tuned and to watch the birthday outing. I'ma mess with my camera right now. After me not go can't sleep. Jano. Thank you so much. Big up